this is the package how it came. This model is a Featherlite Amaze medium back actually. So this has got the adjustable arms and which is a mesh chair, so that's what they have marked on here. And this is a walk around of the package, how it came from Flipkart. And this is the details, and I can see that this was being manufactured in January 29th 2022. That's what it says. So in the box all the check marks is there. I don't know what other things is there inside, so I haven't opened it. So this video is going to be only the unboxing of this video and assembling, and proper feedback about the chair, which I am going to make another video. So let's jump on to the unboxing this package. Yep. Okay. So let's unbox this package. See what is the side of this package. Okay, basically package looks very nice and decent condition, I would say. First and foremost, I got the back one side. And this seat, I think it came in assembled, semi-assembled format, so which has already been handled, is fixed actually. Yes, and base. So nothing is in a box actually. I think they haven't given any tools or something like that. I'll show you what are the things is included. So this is a backrest actually. Package that. I really like it. What is this? But in one of YouTube videos, they said there is some issues in the corner. Okay. This is how it is, and this is the lumbar support. The second one is the seat. Seat itself is already that's a go. Here we go. My bad. So I think they already given the Allen key and screws and some washers. All the manual. I think this is a manual, I believe. It came in like plastic for me. This is nicely packed actually. Overall, so good actually. So this is a chair. Wow. The one thing I like about the Featherlite is the build quality and the cushion and the mesh. I've been using the Featherlite products chair in my office almost 11-12 years, so that's why I stick on to the Featherlite actually. And this is a base. I think it's the base one, and that's hydraulic. Let me show you assembling actually. So let me get back to a bit farther so that you guys can see. There is a 3 years warranty card. is what they have given. And these manuals, how to set and all kind of stuff. So it's a very simple and easy method of user manuals what they have given. So you can pause and check it out. They have given this Allen key and some 3 bolts. I'm sure this is for the back. And this one I have to take, and I'm not sure am I doing the right thing. Okay, yeah, that's it. Very simple. So easily it will. I'm not going to type as of now. It's very easy, simple. So, okay. This backrest is fixed, and then I have to assemble the gas lift and the on the base. Okay, which is the downside. Oh, I understand. There it goes actually. And this will be fixed as like this. So now it's time for what you call it, moment of truth, how it's functioning. It's a bit of a heavy actually, so I hope you guys can see properly. And I think I have to adjust the height actually. Okay. So as per the recommendations from the Featherlite, you have to do it a couple of times to bring the pressure on the gas lift. I'm having fun actually, so don't worry. So for your reference, I am a 5'11" height, and for your references, this is what the height looks like actually. So this is a reclining. So this is the maximum recline, is what I'm getting actually. So I have no idea. So there is a lever here. Okay, that's it guys. Actually this is about the review about unboxing the Featherlite Amaze medium back chair. And the pricing, I bought it in Flipkart under 9,000. There is an offer going on right now. You have a multi-lock mechanism system in this chair actually. So this is a height adjustable, and this is a recliner adjustable things. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye.